Hello, Dalton here, and welcome to Straight to the Point tutorials. I'll go straight to the point and then we will go onto some details. So, if you've purchased a bundle on Steam but you only want to refund one of the games of the bundle and not the whole bundle, here's what you have to do. First of all, on Chrome or any other browser, go to help.steampower.com. I will leave that on the description for you. And you have to click on the title that you want to refund. If it's not on recent products, go to games, software, etc. It should be here. If it's not, then it may not be eligible for a refund. More on that later. But let's say you want to refund A Way Out, which I did buy in a bundle. You will go to It's Not What I Expected and I'd like to request a refund, and you will see that you can only refund the bundle. So there's not an option to refund one of those games, so you will have to enter by other means. You will go to It's Not in My Library and you will go to I still can't find this product. So that will give you a chance to send a message to Steam support, and here you will say something like, I bought this game in a bundle and I only want to refund this one game. There's not an option on the list of refunds, so please do not send me a how to ask for a refund tutorial. I already did that and I could not, so please refund me only this game. And they will you send that message right here, and then they will respond you. In my case, they just said we already refunded your game. You will see that that's here on my wallet. So that's the straight to the point part. Let's go on to some details. So I actually bought a bundle which had A Way Out and It Takes Two, and I wanted to refund It Takes Two, which had only 40 minutes of playtime. If you don't know, the eligibility for refund is that you have to play the game less than 2 hours. You need to have less than 2 hours of playtime, and you have to have made the purchase at least less than 14 days ago. Alright, so if you bought the game more than 2 weeks ago, it doesn't matter if you have not played one single minute, it's not eligible for refund. So in my case, I played A Way Out for 5 hours and It Takes Two for 47 minutes, and when I tried to refund unknowingly the whole bundle, I was told that my playtime was too high, and I was like, it's not. So I tried again and again and again, and they just couldn't read the part where I wrote on the refund, I just want to refund It Takes Two. So I did enter by this means that I can send a separate message, and that's how I got it. They just responded to me, all right, we got that, here's the money, we've taken the game out of your library, and that was it. So I hope it works for you. If it doesn't, you probably should try to refund like the whole bundle. It doesn't matter, they're going to decline it if you have more than 2 hours of playtime. So then you do this and send the message, so at least in your history you have tried to refund it. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope it works for you, and see you on the next one.